afternoon, you ladies and gentlemen. You're watching Daily Market Review with me, Ismailova Slava, Grand Capital Financial Analyst. Today, as usually, we are going to start with intraday Euro-US dollar. Monday's weakness brings the focus onto support at 1.3679. Monday's cap at 1.3914 was due to Ishimoku cloud resistance on the weekly chart, and the 1.44,000 level is expected to remain out of reach. A sustained break below 1.3679 would leave the 1.3914 high isolated, exposing 1.3582 and 1.3552. A recovery above 1.3822 would provide respite, but only above 1.3870 would create room for return to the 1.3914 high. Weekly chart Euro-US dollar trend is bullish. Intraday US dollar Japanese yen. Resistance at 77.48 has been strengthened, and downside risk to the 76.3 knot is the main threat. A break beneath 76.6 knot is required to expose the important bull wedge low at 76.3 knot, which effectively protects the August all-time low at 75.49. Only recovery above 77.17 would reopen the 77.48 high. Weekly chart US dollar Japanese yen trend range. Intraday Great Britain pound US dollar. Fibonacci protected targets at 1.5885 and 1.5895 are still on course to be met after Monday's inside day. Keeping Monday's low at 1.5732 intact is vital in maintaining the positive Great Britain pound outlook, and there are high Fibonacci target projections in the 1.9561, 1.95975 area. A sustained break below 1.5732 would return the situation bearish, exposing 1.5664 and 1.5545. Weekly chart Great Britain pound US dollar trend is bearish. Now let us turn to intraday US dollar Swiss franc. Monday's bullish engulfing candle puts the October 13th high at 0.9038 under threat. A push through 0.9038 is required to strengthen Monday's low at 0.8882, paving the way for more gains to 0.9122. Only below 0.8909 would bring the 0.8882 low back into focus. Weekly chart US dollar Swiss franc trend is bullish. Intraday Australian dollar US dollar. There is downside risk to the 1.4 knots area following Monday's sharp setback of 1.0374. A temporary peak has been set at 1.0374, and key support at 0.9865 will look to limit the scope for corrective weakness. Regaining ground above 1.0321 is required to reopen the 1.0374 peak. Weekly chart Australian dollar US dollar trend is bullish. You have watched Daily Market Review with me, Ismailova Slava. See further details on our site, grandcapital.net. I'm wishing you good trade and see you later.